uncharted territory for us. We're usually in the club. Now we're in like the bush, I guess.
Welcome to Alabo. This is sick as fuck. Like, that's so cool.
We can figure it out.
Until a bit later, Pickle
Until
Girls.
later.
Till next time.
You look so funny. Hey vlog, sweetest waterfall. We're gonna go swim while these girls are doing some math. Didn't expect them to look like that.
We got similar in. Wow. Your hair, everything, dude. Oh my god. It's cooler than this. Oh, these are so awesome. Yeah.
Such a cute video being taken of you right now.
Full of both of you.